Now, fireworks are fun, but they can also be tough for people with PTSD, autism, and other mental health conditions. Here's how you can help and help them enjoy the holiday as well. Loud celebrations for fireworks and celebrations for the new year are not so exciting for local combat veteran Stephen Bird.
It makes your hair stand up a little bit. It's unnerving. Brings back a lot of those things that you actually went through during that time.
Stephen is one of many in Central Texas suffering from PTSD, and all the loud noises don't help his condition.
But I got a neighbor I like a lot, and sometimes he will turn his bass on, and man, that when that initial beat and thrust comes through, it gets the body to rattling a little bit.
They can be distressing for people who have a traumatic sort of history, learning history, where the threat really seems real.
Stephen's wife, mental health therapist Carrie Ann Zamore, says their adult son is on the autism spectrum. She says the bright lights and booming sounds were tough for him to deal with while he was growing up.
When our son was younger, that's something that was oftentimes a trigger for him. And working with other children, associating with other children who are differently abled, I know that sometimes the fireworks can be very overstimulating.
The couple says they don't want to stop anyone from having fun, which is why they prepare.
You got to close the door to your bedroom again, put on earplugs, whatever the case might be. Or a lot of people that have PTSD deal with anxiety. Make sure you got your meds near you or take them in advance.
Letting folks know when they're planning to do that, maybe even sharing their phone number in order to be able to communicate with those folks if things do become really distressing for people in their households.
Local experts say it's also good to have a loved one or care provider nearby, just in case someone with PTSD, autism, or other mental health conditions need support. Your pets won't welcome those loud noises either when it comes to celebrating. The Aggieland Humane Society is saying to keep your pet preoccupied with other sounds in your house during that time.